Hello, this is Owen at OK Ranch Coins. I have one of the most innovative new coins to come out of the Royal Canadian Mint in 2017 to share with you today. It is a splash-struck coin. Using an old coin-making technique, the coin does not have a rim. Instead, the silver was allowed to spill beyond a traditional round shape to give the coin a slightly irregular shape, just like an ancient Roman coin. The Mint chose to use this technique in keeping with the extremely ancient subject matter presented on the reverse side of the coin. I'm not even going to try to pronounce the name of this prehistoric fossil. It's printed on the background sheet behind the coins. Scientists theorize that in a time that predates the dinosaurs, roughly 500 million years ago, a marine invertebrate was the most abundant life form on Earth. Early arthropods known as trilobites thrived in the ancient seas that covered our planet during the Cambrian period. Today, their remains are the object of study and fascination, particularly those of the Mount Stephen trilobite beds in British Columbia's Yoho National Park. In the park, stone bugs such as this one provide a glimpse of life in ancient Canada. I'm using two examples of this coin so that you can see both sides at the same time. On the left, we have the obverse, or head side of the coin facing the camera. You can see the effigy of Queen Elizabeth II. On the right is the reverse, or tail side of the coin. This is a recreation of the prehistoric fossil commemorated by this coin. Each of these coins was minted using 1 troy ounce of 99.99% pure silver. While the shape is irregular, the minimum diameter is 38 millimeters. To enhance the detailed engraving of the fossil and its stone-like surroundings, a stunning patina finish has been applied to each coin. This gives the coin an antiqued appearance that reflects the series' historical theme. The packaging is also unique. Since the coin's irregular shape does not fit in a typical plastic coin capsule, each coin instead is packaged in a ready-to-display floating frame. Measuring 80 millimeters by 80 millimeters by 34 millimeters, this framed presentation makes for a one-of-a-kind wall art and a sure conversation piece. It would seem as like the fossil is embedded in the wall. The coin also comes with this stand that we're using today to display them for the camera. The coin's antique finish is sealed in lacquer, which should minimize the appearance of fingerprints if the coin is accidentally removed from its frame. The original Royal Canadian Mint packaging in a serial numbered certificate of authenticity issued by the Mint comes with each coin. All of our Canadian coins are acquired directly from the Royal Canadian Mint, so there is no risk of receiving a second-hand or poor quality, a counterfeit, or a stolen coin when you buy from OK Ranch Coins. We keep our coins in climate-controlled, smoke-free bank vaults. Every coin is shipped to you in the exact condition in which it left the Mint. We offer free shipping to all U.S. addresses, and these coins are covered by our money-back 30-day return policy. On the background sheet, we have the web address for our eBay store, OK Ranch Coin, www.okranchcoins.com, and our email address, okranchcoins@yahoo.com. Finally, we have our eBay listing number for these unique and innovative coins. To see more photos and information as well as our current pricing, use the listing number to search for this coin on eBay. I'm going to move the coin just a bit right now to give you a little bit more close-up of what the coin really looks like. Here on the tail side of the coin, you can see the floating frame that holds it and allows the coin to be visible both sides by simply turning the frame around. The other side of the coin, the head side with Queen Elizabeth, you can see that also, I think, with the coin positioned where it is. As I move the coins aside, you get a better view of the listing number that we have for these coins on eBay, and you can see the name and description of the coin, as well as our web address and our email address. I hope you've enjoyed this short video presentation. Thanks for watching, and goodbye for now.